Pinpoints would be, first of all, is just having a centralized system that would show everything, organize it. We tried adding it on the CRMs. It's not interactive. It's just a number and no one was seeing it.
Yeah.
And the report itself helps. People like to see pretty things. Clients like to see something and put our logo and disclosures, of course.
Yep.
To include that. I don't want to get compliance chasing me down. It's just that the data gathering and putting it in a system that is interactive, because it also sends you notifications. We know how important time constraints are on contracts. So any features that have a deadline are starting to come up. We didn't have that before. We didn't know.
Yeah.
Like, we would miss clients that, even though we're not the agent and we're fiduciary, but we're not the agent on the policy, then we would have clients be like, oh yeah, so this policy, I got this, I never converted it. And we're like,
whoops.
yeah.
Yeah, and let me just interject one other thing there.
Yeah, please.
I think the worst part is when we were meeting with some of the legacy clients, although we didn't actually give them the insurance and sell the insurance, it was done with an outside firm, they would expect us to know about it because we directed them there way back when.
Yeah.
And so that's, a habit moment where we have to say, okay, we'll get back to you. And that's not how we operate.